And now let's see how to work with users. In VIDA series, there are 3 user profiles. Administrator. This will be usually you. By default, the login is admin and the password is admin as well. If you ever forget the password, type admin as login and reset as password. The second profile is user. Each user has access to the panels assigned to him by the administrator on all VIDA devices in the network. Login and password of each user is defined by the administrator, and it should be the same in all devices in order to receive the panels from all devices of the network. The third profile is public. You can access to the public panels clicking on the Public Panels button, and no credentials will be prompted. To manage users, click on the corresponding menu and you will see the list of users. If you click on one of them, on the right side, you will see all the assigned panels to this user in all VIDA devices that are in the network. See that in this example, the public user has one panel below that belongs to the VIDA device where we are connected, and another panel on the top from another device. Selecting other users, you can see which panels are assigned to them. See panels for user number 2. You can directly access to edit panels clicking on the pen. If the panels do not belong to the connected device, then you will first have to connect to the corresponding device and then edit.